Disinfection is now a mandatory protocol in the hospitality and care industry, but using toxic chemicals could expose you, your staff, and your guests to dangerous indoor air and surface pollutants. What are some of these ingredients? Sodium hypochlorite, commonly known as bleach, quaternary ammonium compounds, commonly known as quats, and benzalkonium chlorides, commonly known as BACs. Now that's a mouthful. And exposure to these corrosive and toxic chemicals can cause serious health and property issues. Companies are now facing liability lawsuits. Now there's an answer to safely kill 99.99% of contagious viruses and millions of germs, creating a safe, sanitized space for people, pets, and the environment. Introducing our exclusive First Place Science Disinfectant. Nothing safer, nothing stronger, and nothing more cost-effective on the market. Why use anything else? Click below to receive a brochure and our 7-step guide to becoming a super green host for preferred bookings and 5-star green thumbs up ratings. We also invite you to our webinar on the new green standard in disinfecting, and visit our website at strpros.com for other smart products and services for your hosting business. Thank you, and we look forward to being part of your hosting success.